Good morning students, welcome to Holy Christ Chemistry Classroom. Now I am going to teach you chemistry first chapter, matter. But before it, I will discuss what is atom, what is molecule. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particles by which any kind of matter is made of. When same kind of atoms or different kind of atoms combine together, they form molecules. Example, water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. Here H2O, I mean two atoms of hydrogen and single atoms of oxygen. When combined together, they form one molecule of water. So what is matter? Matter means anything else that occupies some space and has mass, that is matter. Those matters are available in nature. They are available in three states: liquid, solid and gas. So different states of matter depend upon two conditions. What are they? Intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space. So what is intermolecular space? Intermolecular space is the space between the molecules. That is intermolecular space. Same way, the molecules held together or binding together by a special force. The force is known as intermolecular force of attraction. So, these two conditions that determine the states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Same way in case of solid, the intermolecular space is very negligible. That's why solids have proper shape and they are rigid also. Same way, their intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. In case of liquid, the space is lesser than solid. That's why they can always in at random motion. So intermolecular force is lesser than solid. Same way in case of gas, the intermolecular space is most largest than other states. That's why they are always at random motion and can move freely. That's why their intermolecular force of attraction is very negligible. So two conditions determine the states of matter. What are they? Intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space. Next, what is interconversion? What is interconversion? It is the natural phenomenon by which the states of matter is only changed, not their chemical composition. So what is interconversion? Interconversion is a natural process by which the states of matter is only changed. Here two conditions are responsible the changes. First one is either heating and second one is cooling. Example, ice. If we apply some heat, ice turn into water. If we apply some heat to water, it turn into gas. Same way, when we cool the gases, they turn into liquid. And when we keep it freezer, they turn into solid. So their state is only change, not their chemical composition. So the natural phenomenon is interconversion. And the two conditions, they are cooling and heating, are responsible for interconversion. Now, what is melting point? A constant temperature at which any solid turn into liquid, that is the melting point of particular substance. Same way, when liquid at a particular constant temperature, a liquid turn into solid. So the particular temperature is freezing point for the particular substance. Now, what is boiling point? Boiling point is a Boiling point is constant temperature at which a liquid turn into vapor or gaseous condition. Example, water. You all know at 100 degrees Celsius, water turn into water vapor or steam. Same way, what is the example of freezing point or melting point? Suppose 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, ice turn into water. Same way, at 0 degree Celsius, liquid water turn into ice. So, for the fasting, that's all.